Hi, so in this video I will be giving a quick introduction into what we mean by derived demand. So I'll get straight into it, and our definition of derived demand is where we have demand for a good or a factor of production which is used in the production of another good or service. So to make better sense of this definition, it will help to look at a couple of examples. And so the first one, we can think about how we have a market for furniture in our economy. And in this example, we're thinking of any furniture which uses wood. So we can think of wood tables, wood chairs, anything that even uses wood as a component part. If we have an increase in demand for these goods, we are, as a knock-on effect, going to have an increase in the demand for wood itself, because this wood is used in the production of furniture. Now, our consumers aren't increasing their demand for wood, they are increasing their demand for furniture, and in turn, the producer of this furniture, the manufacturer, is going to be increasing their own demand for wood. So we have an indirect effect, or a derived demand, for wood, because we have an increase in the demand for furniture, and that's exactly what derived demand is. So we can look at a second example to make this a bit clearer. Let's consider that in our economy we have an increase in the demand for computers for whatever reason. Say businesses are expanding, and in particular technology is expanding in businesses, so our businesses are consuming a lot more computers. Well, we're going to have, as a knock-on effect, an increase in demand for everything that goes into these computers, and we might consider microchips as something that goes into computers. Again, these businesses, they're not demanding microchips directly, they're demanding computers, but as a derived demand, the manufacturers of these computers are themselves going to need more microchips. So in that knock-on market, we also have an increase in demand due to our derived demand. So that's what we mean by this concept, and that'll wrap up this quick video. So please do leave a like if it was at all useful. Check out the playlist for more introductory economic concepts, and do subscribe for some more econ in your subscription feed.